Hi there everybody, my name is Bobby. Thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a setup so that we could sleep in the back of this Jeep. Now, I've already done a truck bed build once before. I've since sold that Silverado and now I have a Jeep Wrangler, and I'm going to be taking the components of my truck bed build and repurposing them to fit in the back of this Jeep. Now, I have a plan in my mind, but I'm not sure how that's going to play out in reality, so this video is going to be a bit of a journey together, and I'm sure we will have a couple different renditions before we get to the final product, but that's today's video. We're going to be setting it up so that we could sleep in the back of this Jeep. Thanks for watching. This is all the old components. This is the bed and the slide, the drawer, I should say. We have to cut these down to size and get them to fit in the back here. Like I said, the only thing I'm worried about is Alright, so here you have it. This is the semi-finished or working product that I have come up with. If you'll notice, it looks very similar to the old truck bed build. You have some storage under here, and then everything folds up so that back seat is still accessible. To show you what I got working here, these are just two different pieces. As you saw, I put one big continuous hinge right there, so that folds up and on top of this platform. Since these have two different pieces of mattress, or since there is two different pieces of mattress now, these will just flop up and over as well, and then we have one bed. So that's the working bed platform. All right, so this is it fully packed up. So you can see we still have the drawer slide. We have the top piece. This is the piece that folds out and goes into the back seat area. These two pieces of memory foam mattress sit on top of each other. It does not block my rear view window or anything like that. I'm storing the sheets for it right in this little compartment. And then you still have your full access to your back seat. And that's a big deal for me because we often travel with company, or I'm always traveling with my dog. As you can see, the dog hammock, so she's able to have her whole space back here, and you know, travel up with me, and then when we get to the campsite we can just flop this seat down, set up our bed area. She sleeps next to me, I sleep on this bed, and then we're all happy. So that's my bed setup, and that's going to be our working Jeep build for camping and hiking and kind of backcountry. So this will be the initial plan. I'm going to cut this down and cut this at an angle, so when this is folded down, I'll be able to take this out, put it down, and then lay the bed over top. That might not make sense now, but once I finish these cuts and modifications, it should make a little bit more sense. And then you could keep this in if you really want to. Use it for storage. Throw it out. We'll see. So there you see it. So now we got to get that angle right over here. We got to cut that down so hopefully that all lies flat. That would be the plan. You could put a mattress down. Well, put a mattress down here, mattress there, and get to sleep. So we got to get that angle right. Close. It's close. Ain't it? It's close. We're gonna keep working. All right, there it is. All right, so here it is. So the way this works, the mattress is in a two-part system. You've probably seen in the other part of the video. The bed frame is in a two-part system that slides on top of each other. And then this is the drawer that usually comes out. Now what's pretty nice is you still have access to all the stuff underneath, but you got your spot to be able to sleep. I'm a 5'11" and I fit just fine. So there it is. That's how I sleep in the back of my Jeep. And here it is all folded up. So as you can see, this part just slides forward when the back seat is flipped down. Still have access to your drawer slide and all of that. And then that back seat's fully functional still. So if you guys have seen any of the videos, I do travel with my dog. So she'll be just fine back here, have the full back seat. If you gotta drive around friends or anything, easily deploy this back down. And then slide this bed back out and you got your full length bed. So there it is. Now we got to take it somewhere. All right, so there we have it. We were able to reuse the components of the old truck bed build. We can now sleep in the back of this Jeep. I think that this kind of build could be applied to any SUV. It doesn't have to be a Jeep. Could even be applied to a car. If you do that, please let me know. I'd be curious to see your setup. But I'm super excited. Can't wait to take you guys on the next adventure with this thing. Happy to be able to reuse the parts and pieces that we had from the truck bed build, because we had already gone on a few different trips with that. So that already had some memories in it. Again, looking forward to taking this Jeep out and seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.